Hello, do you know about cryptocurrency? If no, then today I am going to tell you what is cryptocurrency and how does it work. Cryptocurrency, sometimes called cryptocurrency or crypto, is any form of currency that exists digitally or virtually and uses cryptography to secure transactions. Cryptocurrencies don't have a central issuing or regulating authority, instead using a decentralized system to record transactions and issue new units. Okay, so what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital payment system that doesn't rely on banks to verify transactions. It's a peer-to-peer system that can enable anyone anywhere to send and receive payments instead of being physical money carried around and exchanged in the real world. Cryptocurrency payments exist purely as digital entries to an online database describing specific transactions. When you transfer cryptocurrency funds, the transactions are recorded in a public ledger. Cryptocurrency is stored in digital wallets. How does cryptocurrency work? Cryptocurrencies run on a distributed public ledger called blockchain, a record of all transactions updated and held by currency holders. Units of cryptocurrency are created through a process called mining, which involves using computer power to solve complicated mathematical problems that generate coins. Users can also buy the currencies from brokers, then store and spend them using cryptographic wallet. If you own cryptocurrency, you don't own anything tangible. What you own is a key that allows you to move a record or a unit of measures from one person to another without a trusted third party. Okay, there are thousands of cryptocurrencies we have in these days, and some of the best known include here. First, Bitcoin. Founded in 2009, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and is still the most commonly traded. The currency was developed by Satoshi Nakamoto, widely believed to be a pseudonym for an individual or group of people whose precise identity remains unknown. Second is Ethereum. Developed in 2015, Ethereum is a blockchain platform with its own cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH, or Ethereum. It is the most popular cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. So now, how to buy cryptocurrency? You may be wondering how to buy cryptocurrency safely. There are typically 3 steps involved. These are step 1, choosing a platform. The first step is deciding which platform to use. Generally, you can choose between a traditional broker or dedicated cryptocurrency exchanges. When comparing different platforms, consider which cryptocurrencies are on offer, what fees they charges, their security features, storage and withdrawal options, and any educational resources. Now, step 2, funding your account. Once you have chosen your platform, the next step is to fund your account so you can begin trading. Most crypto exchanges allow users to purchase crypto using fiat currencies such as the US dollar, the British pound, or the euro using their debit or credit cards, although this varies by platform. Step 3, placing an order. You can place an order by your brokers or exchange web or mobile platform. If you are planning to buy cryptocurrencies, you can do so by selecting buy, choosing the order type, entering the amount of cryptocurrencies you want to purchase, and confirming the order. The same process applies to sell orders. I know. You are thinking, is cryptocurrency safe? So now I'm telling you, cryptocurrencies are usually built using blockchain technology. Blockchain describes the way transactions are recorded into blocks and time stamped. It's a fairly complex technical process, but the result is a digital ledger of cryptocurrency transactions that's hard of hacker to tamper with. In addition, transactions require a two-factor authentication process. For instance, you might be asked to enter a username or password to start a transaction. Then you might have to enter an authentication code sent via text to your personal cell phone. While securities are in place, that does not mean cryptocurrencies are unhackable. So finally, the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. So be prepared for ups and downs. You will see the dramatic swings in prices. If your investment portfolio or mental well-being can't handle that, cryptocurrencies might not be a wise choice for you. Cryptocurrency is all the rage right now, but remember, it is still in its relative infancy and is considered highly speculative. Investing in something new comes with challenges, so be prepared. If you plan to participate, do your research and invest conservatively to start.